Okay, so I'm in another Cobalt world, pretty much the same thing. This time I've got a Sierpinski pyramid added to a little spinner thingy. A little spinner thingy, if you click on it, well, you can't do it from the inside, you can only do it from the outside. But you can see I've got a portal into the old collaboratory room, and I can move that portal around. And you notice that there's a 1 meter box there to give it a sense of scale. So I'm going to point the portal, so to speak, at the box so you can see it from inside and get a sense of what happens to the scale, and then go into the other world, the room, turn around, and there's the cube, and there's the rotating Sierpinski thing. Now I'm going to start setting the scale. It's at 130 right now, so I'm going to set it down to 1.0. Oops, there it is. Can you barely see it? Yeah. So, let's set it to 2 so it'll be a little bit more obvious. 2. And there it is again. See, it's still in the other world, which could be on a different computer, but right now it's on my computer. And it's doing its little spinning thing. And actually I can control it through this world. So I can set it spinning in different directions while it's still in the other world, which could be on a different computer. Yay! So let's set it up a little bit more. Back about 10. And let's set the depth to 1 so you can see what a 1 depth Sierpinski looks like, which is just a tetrahedron 4-sided pyramid. And at 2, it's going to go through recursion once and create 4 little 4-sided pyramids. At 3, it's going to go through it twice and create 4 little 4-sided pyramids for each of those. And at 4, it's going to go through it again and create 4 little 4-sided pyramids for those, and so on. I'm not going to set it at 10 because when it sets at 10, it slows down. But anyway, you get the idea. Cobalt is cool. Set it spinning from in here again. Now I'm going to go through and visit the other world. And of course, since it's smaller now and I'm on the outside, I can set it spinning from that side too. And if I wanted to, I could go in and figure out which one of these little things, which I've forgotten, the Sierpinski ref, I think is it. So let's try Sierpinski future translation. Let's just see what that translation actually is currently. Okay, it's not going to tell me. So let's just go ahead and set it to 1x, 2, 1y, 1z, and do it. And it shifted over a little bit. And I could have shifted it over a lot by doing something else. Let's put it down at 0. Let's put it at -1. And it's not doing. Oh yes, there we go. -2. There we go. And you can see lots of stuff to do with it. So it's shifted it over relative to its spinner thingy. So now it's off center. I could have instead moved the spinner reference over, and it would have moved the spinner and kept the center of the pyramid the same relative to the spinner. So let's actually put that back at 0 and do that. Now it's almost spinning around its center. Now it should be. Yeah, see? Now I'm going to go and take the spinner F and add a future reference to it. Future is something that make sure that any other avatar who's in this island will see what I'm doing. Okay, spinref future translation colon 0x 0y 0z. Oops, I forgot to add something. Spinref future translation. Oh, there's a colon there that shouldn't have been there. So let's do that again. There it goes. Now, it's going to stay spinning around the center, and now I'm going to move it up while it's still spinning around the center. Couldn't see that very well, so let's move it up some more. There we go. As you can see, I'm controlling it from here, or I go into the other world, and since it's a far reference, no matter which world I'm in, no matter which computer I'm on, I can actually let someone else grab that far reference, presumably, though I'm not sure how you pass them around from avatar to avatar. But, set it back down to 0. There it goes. Now let's stop it spinning, spin it the other way, and there you see. I like it.